Hi folks, Robert here with more Revit training. We're going to look at this podium again, but this time we're going to use I'm going to do a different method and show you how this is going to really work to the best. So here I've got my rebar, but normally that's done during field connections or during the prefab process or the production. So here I got some new plank here. I'm going to use this nice old concrete plank. So I'm going to go beam system here once again. Structure, beam system. And this time I'm going to use this ultralight spancrete plank here. And I'm going to select it there. Okay, so there's my plank, but I'm going to rise this up again. So this, and I'm going to select my beam system, and let's make this elevation. That's 10 inches since we got a 10-inch plank. Well, let's make it 10 and a quarter. Well, let's make it 10. Let's make it 10 and a half. Because we got our bearing strip to go underneath here. Okay. So there's our plank. And it's going right about where we want it, except for we needed to bear. So over the edge. So what you can do, didn't notice last time, I'm gonna just select these guys, and I'm gonna select this one right here. Now this is my bearing strip, and that's normally about, you only need like 3 inches to lap. So I'm gonna set that right there for now. And then I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna grab this beam and I'm gonna go to my start cut back here. I'm going to make this, it's either one. I think it's going to be 4 inches. Let's make this 4 inches. It's either positive or negative. I'm not sure. I'm going to apply that. Okay, that was the other end. I'm going to undo that then. So I'm going to select it again. And this one here, I'm going to make this -4 inches. I hope this is right. Yeah, that's good. So that's a nice. So let's see what's this distance. Normally it's about 3 inches. Believe it or not, they don't really need, that's good. 4 inches is a good lap. So what I'm going to have to do here now, I'm going to have to get all these. I need my 4 down here as well. This will be +4, I think, inches. Hope it's negative as well. Okay. So that's how we're going to get our overlap. And I wonder if I can do something here. If I can do something fast here. I'm going to see if I can try this. I doubt if it'll work. It'd be great if it did. Boy, would it be. But that's not going to work for me because it is a beam system. But I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to drop it at this point. Because I think we got our heights and everything we want. And it might make it easier. So I'm going to remove it. And I want to see if I can align them now. Okay, right, good. So that'll work here. So we get all these in place with our lap. And then, you know, we've got our bearing strip. We'll just bring it down a little more to there. We'll continue on here. That one. Uh-oh. So there it's coming into place. There. Sorry about this, folks, but so I want that bearing. Now you can do this in the precast tools in Revit, but I kind of like this old school way. So there's my top, and let's get the bottom. Let's get the top here. Okay. Okay, sorry. This key in AL here. Yeah. There. Okay, so that's about it there. Now we're gonna do a few openings, and what happens is this is actually the for our house project. So now we had a stair right in here. So I'm gonna need an opening. So what I can do for this cutback, I can just select this one, and I can say, let's see what happens if I say 4 feet here. Yep, that's great. So I'm gonna be another 4 feet on this one here. I'm not sure. Let me see. Let's just check here. 4. Okay, this is going to be 4 as well. So now we got our little opening for our stairs, and then where's my little, this guy here? We can bring him over here. There he is. Just okay, cancel that. So I'm going to select this and move him over to here now for our opening. If we're going to have an opening here, because these are the stairs, and it's probably going to be wider, a lot farther back, so I probably should go in here and fix this. This will be a little longer here, and I rotate it around. It's like this. Okay, I'm sure you guys seen these in my videos before. Okay, so better get this over in this view, is better. So I'm gonna go from here all the way across to there, and then I'll rotate this around. Probably should be that way. Yeah, that's how it looks. So anyway, that's that opening. Then over here, I think we got a plumbing open, but what I would do, I would link in my architectural model so that I can get my actual openings, and I have it attached here. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just go in here. I think I got a bathroom here, so I would select this one here. And also what I do, I would get this rebar squared away. But anyway, I just wanted to show you a little continuation of the precast plank and how would you get an opening there. And then I think, like I said, we need another opening here. I think the bath was here. So I'm just going to go structure by face. And then I'll just go select this. No, I think it's, yeah, I'm going to go right here for now. I'm not sure. And then I'll go to opening here for my plumbing. I want to finish that. And then over here, I know I had a furnace right about here, so I need an opening here as well. So anyway, folks, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe. Hustle makes lots of videos. Anybody have any questions or comments, please put them in the comment section. And there's my rebar. I might want to pull this back now, if I can. Yeah. So hey guys, thanks for watching. See you soon. Please be safe, and please subscribe. Bye. Be safe, y'all.